What's it like to have a developmental disability in prison? Well, first, these disabilities can often go unidentified. When that happens, affected incarcerated people might not get help understanding prison rules or getting medications. These are a few services that people are entitled to under a federal law called the Americans with Disabilities Act, or the ADA. Advocates have long said correctional institutions don't fulfill the ADA, making people with disabilities more vulnerable to issues like abuse and bullying behind bars. And experts say incarcerated people of color are disproportionately affected because they're less likely than white prisoners to be diagnosed before entering prison. In 2020, the Marshall Project sent questions to all state corrections departments about how they screen people for these conditions. Half said they use protocols that don't meet professional standards, according to several experts. Like 8 states said they used the test of adult basic education, which experts said isn't designed to identify developmental disabilities. 5 states said at the time that they don't use a screening test at all. So how can all this actually play out? When Drew Harrison was overwhelmed by the smells and sounds of prison, he asked to stay out longer in the prison yard. He said he was told he was being insubordinate and was placed in restrictive housing. His mother said she doesn't know how someone with autism could survive prison without an advocate.